Alright guys, I just installed my RAB 750 watt Metal Halide fixture, and I had this in storage for a while. I had an LED fixture up here before. I put that in storage just to have fun with some old school Metal Halide. Also, this fixture was not originally Metal Halide. It was 35 watt high pressure sodium, but I converted it to 50 watt Metal Halide. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it warms up. I'm going to turn it on in 3, 2, 1. I'm going to turn off the light so you can watch the warm up. It's going to look bluish green while it's warming up. If you look carefully, you can see an arc. This is where it looks bluish green. It looks more green on camera, but in my eyes can pick it up as white light. It's almost at full brightness. Just lighten up the room. Now it's at full brightness. It's bright. This Metal Halide bulb doesn't have a lot of hours on it. It has some, but it's still like, it's rated for 10,000 hour life is the arc tube. And I would do a hot restrike in this video, but I'll wait till another video. So I'm gonna turn it off. See that glowing red hot? That arc tube.